Today on Bronco Garage, we are unboxing the 3708 Wilwood Premium Power Booster Brake Kit. Let's see what's in the box. Uh-oh. I got a little excited there.
That's what she said.
You coming? Oh, baby. Everything you need includes booster, bracket, wiring, hoses. Just add fluid. James Duff takes brakes and steering very seriously. When comparing to others on the market, this complete power brake booster system is competitively priced. This isn't a rebuild. This is a new 8-inch dual diaphragm power brake booster. No chrome here, just factory OE looks. This kit comes with a brand new Wilwood compact aluminum master cylinder that you can get for either disc drum or disc power brake setups. This kit also comes with stainless braided, DOT rated brake lines that resist swelling and maintain pressure. Mounted to the side of your brand new Wilwood master cylinder is going to be a brand new Wilwood adjustable proportioning valve. This really is the secret to this working so well because it maintains the bias between your front and rear brakes, and it's located right there in your engine bay, so it's easy to get to. Last but not least, this kit comes with all the necessary hardware and other components needed to fit it all together and make it work on your factory Bronco, including a brake bracket that mounts in the factory location and plumbs the hard lines to the new lines coming in this kit. And there's even some new clamps here that I really like that keep the lines together and away from all the other components in your engine bay. Early Broncos are fun, but as soon as you lift them up and put big tires on them, they're pretty much brakeless. Upgrading to this kit delivers smoother, faster stops, especially with big tires or disc brakes down the line. Boosted brakes convert more vacuum into stopping power, fewer yards to halt. If you follow Duff Tuff's step-by-step instructions, there are no mods needed. Brackets align direct, hoses bolt straight in, just bench bleed your Wilwood unit, and away you go. Fun fact, many Broncos do not need Hydro Boost brakes, and most Broncos who install rear disc brakes do not gain any real stopping power from it. If you have 33/1250 tires or smaller, or 18-inch or smaller rims, power boosted brakes will work perfect for you. If you have larger tires or rims on your Bronco, it's time for you to consider Hydro Boost. I recommend that you contact Duff's and talk to one of their Bronco life coaches before making a final decision. It's important for you to know that the new 3708 power boosted brake system from Duff's only works with 3 configurations of brake systems. The first one being Ford factory front disc brakes with a combination of rear disc or drum brakes. The second option that works is the front GM disc style brakes combined with factory drums or rear disc brakes. The third and final option that works with this is the Ford factory front disc brakes with the T-Bird caliper upgrade option combined with drums or Explorer rear disc brakes. One of the combinations this will not work with is Ford factory front disc brakes with a T-Bird caliber upgrade combined with GM style rear disc brakes. Just will not work. It just will not work because you're going to need a bigger master cylinder than what is offered with this brake system. If your Bronco is set up like that, there is a classic power disc brake option offered by Duff's for you as well. That's a wrap on this Wilwood Power Boosted Brake Unbox. Modern stopping power with vintage charm. Subscribe for more upcoming videos. Leave a comment below if you've done an upgrade to your Bronco, and check out the description below for more information.